Alright guys, so I'm just scalping here in Asia session, and so I'm just looking at a quick scalp here. So we had a liquidity right here, right? We've broken down, we've taken out multiple swing lows in here. Price has now come back up. We are overbought, okay, creating SMT divergence between the highs and lows within the William percent R and the chart. And so we just have this sell side liquidity pool here that I'm going to be targeting. And then we also have this opening gap and then this BPR in here. So if we're going to run the lows, the sell side liquidity pool, I'm expecting price to potentially come down and fill this gap in. So we're looking for lower prices just for the short term. So we're going to be risking 10 pips to roughly make 20, so it's like a 2-to-1. We also have this balance price range in here. So my stop loss is going to go above this balance price range. $1.92,800. Okay. Alright guys, so as you can see, price is now expanding to the downside with some velocity, which is what we want to see. So basically, the way I look at the William percent R, so you have the high here with the William percent R, okay, and then the high here. So disregard the wick, we're going to use the bodies here, right? So you see how price comes up on the William percent R, takes out the high here, but we fail to do so, right, in the chart. So that's indicating that smart money is accumulating orders to go short. So the market is under distribution, and we're going to be seeking the sell side liquidity at least below this low. All right, we want to see price expand down into this BPR and this gap here. I can't really place my stop loss here. It won't let me place the stop, I guess, due to spread or whatever the case may be, but it won't let me place my stop. It's too tight, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so hypothetically, our stop loss is at break even. You could take profits below here, so we're approaching like 10 pips or something like that. Okay, 15 pips. Right, we could be taking a portion off here if you'd like, but it's almost 8:30, so we're looking for price to continue to expand lower. We don't want to see price take the liquidity here and then reprice. We want to see price to continue to be heavy down into this BPR before we come back up and reprice potentially. Price can stab up into one of these gaps up in here. There's one located right here and then another one here, overlapping with this breaker. But personally, I would like to see this just continue to stay heavy until this BPR, right? Because you have this gap here. There's no candles in here, right? This big gap. So we want to see price fill this gap in relatively quickly. Nonetheless, though, this is a, so we're risking 8 pips. This could have been a 2-to-1 here. So what I made 17 pips, risking 8. Potentially a 3-to-1. If price comes down to the mean threshold of this BPR, then it'll be a 3-to-1, 3R multiple. Hopefully less than 20 minutes. We want to see this expand lower now. Came back up into this fair value gap. We want to see this low get taken out with some speed. Alright guys, the video is coming up on 10 minutes. I'm going to end it here. We're most likely going to be trading back up into this gap by the looks of it, but yeah guys, here's a 2-to-1 setup to our multiple within 10 minutes, roughly 10 minutes or so. So hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next one.